Let's learn poem 1 to Buckle My Shoe. Let's learn with Faheem Shaheen. One, two, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 11, 12, dig and dwell. 13, 14, maids are counting. 15, 16, maid in the kitchen. 17, 18, boy are waiting. 19, 20, my plate's empty. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.